Good morning, students. So this is the last part of chapter 3. So today I will teach you solonaceace family. You know that when you classify organisms, then there are different orders. There are different hierarchies. For example, the phylum, the class, order, then family, genus, and order. So today we will discuss about family, and the name of the family is solonaceace. Like for example, suppose one plant is given to you and you have to find out to which family the plant belongs. Then you have to study each and every character, starting from the stem, root, leaf, inflorescence, flower, calyx, corolla, endoecium, gynoecium, root. So all the characters we need to study if we want to identify to which particular family the plant belongs. So what are the characteristic features of solonaceace family? Here the plant can be either herb. Herb means very small plant. Shrub means medium height plant. And the tree, these are all long. The height is more. So either the plant can be herb, shrub or tree. Because to each family there are many plants that belong to each family. So there is possibilities there, either it can be herb, it can be shrub or it can be tree. Then what are the character of stems? Herbaceous. Herbaceous means stem, so that is soft. Because the herb, so that is a small plant, and actually small plant they are soft plant. So here the stem can be herbaceous, soft stem. Aerial means the stem is in air, straight, erect and solid. Then what kind of leaves are present? The arrangement of the leaf is alternate. In phytotaxy you have studied that leaves can be arranged either in an alternate manner or in opposite manner or in the word. So there are different kinds of phytotaxy. So here what kind of the arrangement is there? Leaves on stem, so that is alternate. They are alternately arranged. And leaf is simple leaf. Leaf also can be either simple or the compound. But here in the solonaceace the leaf, so that is simple, and X stipulate. So what is stipules? Stipules is a leaf-like structure which is situated at the base of stalk of leaf. As bract is situated at the base of stalk of flower, similarly at the stalk of the leaf, which is called petiole, if there is a leaf-like structure, then that is called stipule. And if stipule is present, we call it as stipulate. Here stipule is absent, so it is X stipulate. Then what kind of the venation? Venation is a reticulate venation. In the reticulate venation, you can find out there is a main vein will be there, then the side branches are developing and it is making a net-like structure. So that is called reticulate venation. Because venation is of two types, reticulate venation and the parallel venation. Reticulate venation, so that is found in the dipod plant, and the parallel venation, so that is found in monopod plant. Then inflorescence, solitary. Solitary means single flower, which is developing in the axil of the stem. Axillary means it is developing in the axil, or it may be cymose. You know there are two types of inflorescence, one is racemose, another is cymose. So it can be cymose also. Then what are the character of flowers? Flowers are bisexual and the actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means radially symmetrical. By any plane the flower can be divided into two equal halves, and bisexual flower means it is having both endoecium and the gynoecium. Then calyx, number is 5. Gamocephalous means all the 5 sepals they are united. Violet estivation means all the 5 sepals they only touch each other. They are not in overlapping condition, so that kind of estivation is called violet. Corolla also 5 petals united and violet. Then endoecium is a 5 stamen epipetalous. Epipetalous means it is connected to petal. Now here you see diagram. This is the diagram of one member of the solonaceace family, and here you see how the stamen, so that is attached to petal, and this condition is called epipetalous. Then gynoecium is bicarpellary. Bicarpellary means there are two carpels are there, and C carpels means both the carpels they are united. So from the outside you can observe only one single carpel, but actually they are two in number, and if you cut the ovary you can find out there and many ovules are there. Bilocular, bi means two, locule means chamber. So two chambers are there and many ovules are there. Then fruit is either berry or capsule, and this is floral formula. Because when we describe a family, then we write on the floral formula, so that is symbol. This is actinomorphic flower, the symbol. This is a bisexual flower, both the male and this is female part, this is the male part. Calyx, we are writing by indicating K. So here 5 sepals are there. If they are united, then put in a bracket. Corolla also 5 in number. Again the corolla is the gamopetalous. So again we are putting in bracket. Now the androecium, the number is 5. As it is connected to corolla, so we are indicating 1. Just bracket like structure. Then the gynoecium, there are 2 carpels are there. 6 carpels means again inside the bracket. Ovary superior means there is one line is there below the gynoecium. So it explains, in short, it can explain about the character of family Solanaceae. And the examples are tomato, potato, chili and tomato. Flower is a modified shoot. So how to prove? First, what the position of the flower, either tip or axil of the leaf. So you know that the flower is developing either at the tip of the shoot or it is developing in the axil. Similarly, the stem also, you know that at the stem it also grows. Either there is the apical meristem is there and the stem is growing aerially, or the branch which is developing, so that is developing at an angle from the stem. Similarly, the flower is also either developing at the tip of the stem or in the axis, just like the leaf is developing. Then the second point, the origin of the floral leaves. Floral leaves, they are comparable to general leaves. As the normal leaves, they develop on the stem. Similarly, the floral leaves, they are also developing on the thalamus. And the origin of the floral leaf from the thalamus is similar to the origin of leaves from branch. When leaf is developing, then first one small bud is developing, which is called leaf primordium. Then from leaf primordium, the leaf is developing. Similarly, when flower is developing, there is development of a floral primordium, and from the floral primordium, the flower is developing. Then presence of nodes and internodes. On stem, nodes and the internodes are present. I told you, leaves are developing from nodes and the space in between two nodes, so that is called internode. Similarly, on the thalamus also you can find out the floral whorls. They are developing from different positions. And the different positions, these are actually nodes on the thalamus. Then the arrangement of the floral leaves are just like the arrangement of leaves. As the leaves are arranged alternate, opposite, one, the opposite equation. So there are different type of the arrangement. Now similarly here also in the floral bud you can find out there is a variable distribution is there, intricate is there, twisted is there. So there are different arrangement of the floral whorls or parts of the floral whorls. So this is all about chapter 5, and we can discuss. If there is any problem, you go through the video and we can discuss it in Google.